Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this cryptocurrency platform, which is blockchain. So to get started, blockchain offer a unique dual wallet system, a non-custodial DFI wallet where you hold your private keys, meaning you are in full control and responsible for your fund. As a custodian blockchain account, which functions more like a traditional exchange, managing funds on your behalf for easier trading. The DFI wallet is great for those prioritizing a full control, privacy, and a direct interaction with the D app and a centralized exchange. Supporting a wide range of assets and offering a strong security feature like two-factor authentication and offline code storage for most funds. You will primarily pay network fee for transaction here, no additional fee from blockchain on top. However, the non-custodial nature means if you lose your recovery phrase, your funds are gone permanently. As blockchain cannot recover them for you, the custodial account offers more convenience for buying, selling, and swapping cryptos with fiat, but you are trusting a blockchain with your fund. While blockchain is a long-standing name in crypto space with a robust security measure and compliance effort, some users have reported issues with account access or customer support. Before choosing, consider whether you prefer ultimate control and self-responsibility or more convenient with managed fund, and always prioritize securing your privacy, your recovery phrase for the non-custodial option. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.